All right, this is the Oceanview room, 734.
There's more light.
Oh,
You just
did it turn on? Oh, did I turn it
You
on?
turn it off.
Whoops. Okay.
There you go.
Is it? Oh, yeah, that's fine. All right, we'll come in. There you go. And the usual, give you the locations of the muster stations.
Oh, that's cool.
And then, okay, just kind of explain the outlets and stuff.
Cute bathroom.
We'll do the bathroom first here. Small step up with a little sliding door. Okay.
Interesting.
Well, it's an older ship.
Yeah. It's just interesting.
And we have, there's a big mirror. It's quite a bit of space, no shelves, but obviously this is again, an older ship.
Yeah, but it's got a lot of room.
Well, usually like more modern ships, they have shelves on each side, but
Oh, there's a lot
That's
of
fine.
closet space.
underneath, oh, trash can. I don't think there's any, oh yeah, there's a shelf under here. That does not come open. Mirror. Bathroom. Okay, this is a small shower stall. It's all right. Step out of the bathroom and into the closets. There are four drawers, it looks like. Pass them. Few
There's
big,
more drawers over here.
big hangers. Sliding closets. Well, hopefully that's not a problem.
Huh?
Well, I opened the door and it kind of coasted back, but
Bullshit. More drawers.
more drawers. There's four drawers.
Yep. There's a little fridgey.
Little cubby hole. I don't know what that's for. Okay. Oh, there's the life vest. Safe. This is the fridge you said? Yeah.
And here's a.
It's even
stove.
cold.
Here's another bed.
Wine probably costs. Nice bucket. Waters
I
are
mean,
$4.95
this
a piece.
Nice, cute.
Murphy bed. Excuse me. I've never used a Murphy bed, so I don't know. So I would think. Oh, so it's just a single Murphy? Okay.
Yeah, cute.
Actually, I kind of like the Murphy bed idea here.
Yeah, it's great. It doesn't take up a bunch of space.
And there's no couch, so that's all right.
That's great. We were literally here overnight.
There's outlets, which I have an adapter for that. Desk. Oh, there's the AC. There's the lamp. There's the TV. The bed is huge. The bed is really big. I think there's, I don't know if there's outlets down here. Why are there switches? Oh. Look like switches. It's not. It's hard to see, but I thought those were switches, but they're not. Storage for the suitcases. Like the painting. Nothing but a breeze. Small little cubby hole. We'll have a little adapter for USB. And a great view for the ocean view. All right, you guys, so that is the room tour. It is actually a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Oh, heck yeah.
It's very clean, very big
Yes.
room.
Yes.
It's a little dark. That's all right. I can live with that. But overall, really nice. I don't have a complaint.
No, and the food, I have to say the food
Yeah, we got
in the
food.
buffet, the food for lunch at the buffet, it was actually really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the room tour.
Yeah.
Hopefully it was informative to you. Let us know if you have any questions or comments. You can leave them below. Otherwise, hey, thanks for watching.